Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox iPhone battery pack Magsafe. This one is original, genuine, from Apple. This way you can know if you're buying somewhere else if it's original or not. There are a lot of fakes for anything Apple basically. Let me show you the box first. Magsafe battery pack. On this side nothing. On this side we have compatible with Max iPhone. Here we have serial numbers. If you buy more than one serial number is definitely gonna be different, right? Each of them will have different serial number. If you buy somewhere and two of them have same serial number, you know 100% sure that those are fake. Part number, model number, UPC, designed by Apple, California, made in China, is everything Apple, made in China. Comes with one seal over here. Let's open it. Just do like this. And I couldn't open it with one hand. It was kind of glued a little bit over here. Nothing else. And this is what we get. So we get designed by Apple in California. Manual and stuff like warranty. 1 year warranty. I think everything Apple comes with 1 year warranty. And this is the thing. We're quite familiar with this kind of packaging plastic Apple uses. And that's the thing. Oh wow, it feels so nice. The material is like so nice in your hand. Wow. And here, oh my goodness, so nice. We have some writing. 1480 milliampere. Okay. We have here, I believe this is the serial number. This is model number here. We have some signs. This is how it looks like. So first you need to charge this one, and then you just take your phone. Apple wants you to use these cases with it, and then just kind of like put over there. So it charges. And it sticks in, look. And it charges, Let me try with a phone with like regular case. It's again 14 Pro Max. Magsafe battery pack, what does it say? Okay, it says it charges up to 90% and the phone is fully charged, so it doesn't want it to charge it, which is good for the battery. 86% charged. Is it charging right now? It doesn't say. Interesting. So it just sticks in. Oh wow, I can even lift it like this. See? It doesn't go away. It's like strong magnets here. Just like that. You charge this, then you charge the phone, and then you can go like hiking or somewhere for a day or two, and this thing will charge your battery. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.